Hey, and welcome to another video. I am going to start out by priming my eyelids with this Juvia's Place Eye Prep, Eye Prime, Eye Primer. Now I am dipping into this kind of rusty brown shade, and I am taking that and I am placing it all in my crease to act as the transitional shade. Okay, now you guys, I am taking this beautiful jewel purple color and I am placing that all over the lid. Y'all, this is going to be the star of the show. Look at that purple, y'all. Just look at it. Now y'all, of course, you know you gotta blend those two colors together. You just cannot have that line of demarcation. That's not gonna make for a good eyeshadow look, y'all. So I am taking my blending brush and some more of that brownish purplish color, and I am blending it in with that jewel purple color just to create a seamless blend. And now you guys, I am taking that jewel purple color and I am placing it on the lower lash line just to tie everything in with the lid. And now y'all, to add a little bit of pizzazz to the look, a little extra sparkle, I'm placing this champagne color in my inner tear duct. You already know it's lash time, and I am still using this Kiss Lash Couture lashes, y'all. Love them. Now I am going in and priming my face with that Makeup Revolution Matte and Fix Primer. And as you know, we are still doing the one layer of makeup, and I am taking my Juvia's Place concealer and I'm concealing under my eyes and down the bridge of my nose. And now you guys, we are going to sculpt these cheeks out with the black Opal foundation stick. And our all over foundation is going to be the Juvia's Place foundation, y'all. Y'all already know how I feel about this foundation. Love it, I love it, I love it. And now it's time to set that under eye concealer. And y'all know that we cannot forget setting the bridge of our nose, y'all. We can't forget that. And then just to go in and blend everything together, make it seamless, I am taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder and I am setting my entire face as well as brushing away that under eye setting powder. And we are of course going to go in and contour these cheeks using that black Radiance contour palette. Y'all already know how this part goes. I am contouring this nose, making sure that it is defined and looking good. Y'all know how I do. Y'all know how I do. And you guys, I am just going back in with that champagne color just to bring it out a little bit more because I feel like I lost it a little bit once I put on my under eye setting powder. Okay you guys, and now I am taking that brown color that I put in the crease and I am putting it on the lower lash line, y'all. And y'all, here go me with those moles again. Y'all already know I feel like the moles are my signature look, y'all. So I am using the liquid liner to place some moles on my face, as well as bring the ones I already have out more. And now you guys, for my glow, I am using the Crayon Case Highlighter Powder in Rosie Glowrez, just because I feel like this look is giving me rose gold vibes. And I just want to tie it all together with a rose gold highlighter. Then of course, you know, you gotta set all your hard work. So I'm using the Morphe setting spray to spray my face down. And y'all, I am taking this lip liner by the Crayon Case, and y'all, unfortunately she no longer sells this shade of Bear, but she has one that's similar to it called Bribery, and I am using that to line my lips. Now I am going in with this lip gloss by the Crayon Case in the shade Soft Twerk. It's a really beautiful soft pink color, y'all. I love this pink lipstick. Well, lip gloss, not lipstick, but this lip gloss on me. I love it. I love it. And y'all, here is the finished look. Y'all know I done went and threw on some hair, and I am now feeling myself. Yes, honey. I want to thank you all for stopping by and checking out my video, and make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe.